So now we're going to look at actually changing the names of your classes. So it's a couple-step process, but not as difficult as you might fear. First thing I'm going to do is, for example, I'm in class 4. And let's say that that class is actually biology. The first thing I'm going to do is click on Edit Page. I'm going to change this to say biology. I'm going to save it. Now, you might think that that has fixed all the problems over here, but it may not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the home page. So as you can see, it still says class 4 once we go back to this page. What I need to do is click More, and then down here it says Edit Site Layout. I click on that button, and now over here at this sidebar, when I move my mouse over it, you see it sort of goes funky. What I need to do is actually just click on class 4, and you'll notice now within here, these are lists of all your pages. It now says biology in here. I'm just going to highlight that and click OK. And now what will happen is that will upgrade to biology. When I click close, it is still biology. So now I click biology, I'm in the biology class page. Back to TKS, review, class 5, let's say I am taking, I have no idea what you'd be taking, to be honest, so I'm going to call it physics. And that might be incorrect, but let's just pretend you're taking physics. And I'm going to click Save. That's changed. I click Save, and that's changed the name on there. But again, this here is misleading because when I click TKS, it goes back sometimes. So what I'm going to do again is just to ensure, I'm going to click More, Edit Site Layout, and I'm going to click Physics and make sure it's listed in here, and click OK. So for each one of your pages, you have to do that two-step process in order to change the names on here. Now you notice that changes here have not occurred. So what I need to do is under class 4, this needs to be changed to biology. Class 5 needs to be changed to physics. In there, I'm going to edit this page here, so I'm going to click Edit Page. And you'll see here it has a list. So these are gadgets, and remember they're gray because they're pulling information from somewhere else. So I need to find the one called class 4, and now I click on class 4, click on the gear, and you'll notice that it has a list of all your pages. This one is meant to be biology. I'm going to write down biology in the very bottom, including title, and I'm going to click Save. So now it's biology, class 5, I'll click on it, I'll rename it to physics, and click Save. Once I've changed those, I click the main Save button up here, and all my changes will be saved, and you'll see that everything's renamed. So again, to refresh, the first thing you do, go to the page you want to change the name of, class 6. In here, this is the name of the page. We need to edit that by clicking Edit Page. Let's say that this is art we are taking. Click Save. Over here on the left, it may or may not update, so you have to click on TKS. And you have to ensure under the More button, Edit Site Layout, just make sure that when you click on this little button here that you actually have art listed there, and click OK and click Closed. Now over here, we have class 6, it needs to be changed to say art. So I'm going to edit this page now. Edit page, find class 6, and change the title down below to art. And you need to make sure that it's showing posts from your art page. So I click Save, it's saying art, I click Save, and now I've renamed all of my pages on the left. I've renamed my pages within the home page here, and I've renamed the pages, and I've renamed also all the other pages. So that is changing the names of your classes on your portfolio page.